Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to double your hair in volume just by using these two ingredients. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into this video. So the ingredient we're going to be using is Star Anise and Clove. I'm going to be taking 1 handful of Star Anise and I'm going to be adding it into my blender. Then I'm going to measure 1 tablespoon of clove. Then I'm going to also add it to my blender. Now I'm going to be adding 1/3 of coconut oil. Also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1/3 of Jamaican black castor oil into the blender as well. Now I'm just going to cover my blender, then I'm going to blend everything together. Star Anise help in developing new hair growth. It also helps for a faster hair growth as well. You should always include Star Anise in your deep conditioner or your shampoo. I have a video on my channel. It's Star Anise leave-in spray. Do check it out, guys. I will leave the link in the description box. Star Anise also promotes healthy hair growth and it also fights dandruff as well. I'm also going to be adding shea butter into these ingredients. I'm going to be adding the shea butter into the pan. I'm not going to be adding it into the blender. Once the ingredients are finished blending, I'm going to pour it into the pan. Then I'm going to take it to the stove and do the double boiling method. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. So basically what I'm doing is just stirring it until the shea butter is melted. Then we have clove. I love clove. Literally I add clove to everything I use. So the benefit of clove is that it stimulates the hair growth, which helps to promote hair growth. It also fights dandruffs as well. So it's basically the same benefits as Star Anise as well. This is how it looks after the shea butter has melted. So I'm going to leave it to cool down. This is how it looks after 15 minutes of cooling down. Now I'm going to drain it using my wig cap. You got 2 minutes of my time. And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to transfer it to my empty bottle. You can add essential oil of your choice if you wish, or a vitamin E, but I won't be adding any of those today. Now the oil is ready to be used. So go ahead and use the oil on a clean scalp. Don't forget to massage the scalp when applying this oil. Don't forget to apply it or wash hair only. You will see an amazing result once you start using this oil. So guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for your support. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you again, guys. Bye.